అందరూ మాస్క్ పెట్టుకుంటారు इसको हटा दे
పట్టుకోండి ఎవరో పట్టుకోండి బాగా
बहुत सुंदर है। आप है ना मुझे ये आज ही बॉक्स पैक करके भी लेकर जाऊंगा अपने घर में रखूंगा। ब्यूटीफुल
जाता
प्लीज
ఈ టైంలో మీరు ఇంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా రావడం గంట క్రిస్టస్లో పెట్టి 20,000కి అరేంజ్ చేసి
happy to meet all media persons of this Mailavaram constituency. Our contested candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party, Bala Garu, is present at the occasion. Simultaneously, Kisan Morcha District President Raghunath Reddy Garu is also here. Our local Mandal President Anjaneyalu Garu is also present, and Kiran Garu also. I am very happy to meet all press club people here. This is not a press conference. This is a program of marking 7 years of seva. Bharatiya Janata Party is nothing other than seva of our 130 plus crore Indians. We are a strong nationalist party and we are committed for seva of our Bharat Mata. We are working in politics not mere to do politics but to make this great country a Vishwa Guru. And every decision of Narendra Modi ji in last 7 years is taking our great country towards that level of Vishwa Guru, that is a superpower of love, superpower of development, superpower of symbiosis, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, एक वसुधैव कुटुंबकम जो हमारे देश ने कहा है, the whole world is one family. There were number of videographers, photographers and journalists. They were admitted to hospital and some of them were on ventilators. They faced very serious condition of the life. But they came back and they are healthy now. I pray for them that they should be healthy throughout their life. But at the house of GVL Narsiha Rao Garu, almost 1 year back, we felicitated this journalist and with kanva and shawl. Today I am happy that our Bala Garu has brought some rice for you, and I know that this is a very small thing which we are giving, but it is a token of love from Bharatiya Janata Party. It is a token of love from Honorable Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. It is a token of love on behalf of Somuvir Raju ji. It is token of love on behalf of Narendra Modi ji. So I appeal all of you to please accept this token of love and be impartial media persons. If we commit some mistake, definitely criticize us. But do this to each and every political party so that the society will really come to know who is really working and who is not. Last thing I would like to tell you, I thank Narendra Modi ji for giving a great relief to COVID affected orphans. जो बच्चे जिनके माता पिता गुजर गए, ऑर्फन हुए कोविड के कारण, कुछ बच्चे पहले से उनके माँ नहीं थी पिता थे, कुछ बच्चों के पहले माँ थी पिता नहीं थे, और वो एक माँ थी वो गुजर गई, एक पिता थे वो गुजर गए. single parents also. These children lost their single parent because of COVID and they become orphan. Narendra Modi ji yesterday has given great scheme for all these orphans, and really when I got to know these schemes, my heart was moved because of the thinking of Narendra Modi ji about every person. हर व्यक्ति के बारे में सोचना, इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों को जो अनाथ हुए हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी has assured after up to 18th their all education will be free. Central government schools, central schools, or wherever they are studying, their education will continue, it will not disrupted. Simultaneously, after completion of 18 years, they will get monthly stipend or monthly honorarium or monthly some amount to survive. After the age of 23, these orphan youth, because at the age of 23 they will become young, they will be given 10 lakh rupees. Every orphan will be given 10 lakh rupees. If somebody wants to go for higher education, then Narendra Modi ji has assured that loan will be given to them for higher education, because costly medical, engineering or many type of courses are there, higher education, but the interest will be paid by PM CARES fund. Interest will not be paid by the student, only the loan amount, and after he becomes employed he can return the loan of that bank, but the interest will be paid by PM CARES fund. Simultaneously, these all students, their health will be taken care by Ayushman Bharat scheme, 5 lakh rupees insurance cover, and the premium will be bared by Honorable Prime Minister. So the amount which was given by society to Narendra Modi ji for PM Care Fund for last 1 year, Narendra Modi ji is spending every penny perfectly to benefit the society to fight with coronavirus, maybe ventilators, maybe oxygen concentrators, and now the scheme for these poor or orphan children. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much. My best wishes to you. Stay safe, stay protected,